मैं जिंदा हूं ये मुश्तहर कीजिए, मैं जिंदा हूं ये मुश्तहर कीजिए, मेरे कातिलों को खबर कीजिए. This is a शेर by the celebrated poet and lyricist Sahir Ludhianvi. He says, "Go, advertise to the world that I'm alive. Tell my killers that I'm still alive." This sher talks of striving and thriving despite hurdles. This sher is about defiance and resilience. Defiance in the face of adversities, as if saying, bring it on. Or you can call it your clarion call to your detractors, your trolls on social media. Think about it. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.